A video shows you how digital printed socks are made. In our daily life, most of the socks we often see are ordinary in style and seem to be hard to make people shine. Such socks are often of limited value and difficult to stand out in the market. However, there is a magical technology, digital printing, which can double the value of socks. First, let's take a look at how digital printing began. Designers use computer software to carefully design unique patterns, ranging from fashion elements to artistic paintings. Then the worker puts the prepared white socks on the drum. Then you only need to click to input the design pattern sample into the computer and the magical printing process will begin. Watch the printer's nozzle move quickly and accurately to spray ink on the socks. In just over 30 seconds, even the most complex patterns can be perfectly presented. After printing, the socks will be placed in an oven for high-temperature color fixation to ensure that the pattern is long-lasting and bright and not easy to fade. Now let's take a look at the final result. The original ordinary socks have become colorful after digital printing. Why can digital printed socks have such a high value increase? On the one hand, it satisfies consumers' pursuit of individuality and fashion sense. Wearing digital printed socks on various occasions can instantly make people become the focus. Digital printing is bringing new vitality and opportunities to the socks market with its unique charm, which enables socks to achieve a leap in value.